Most people overcomplicate passive income. Today I'm going to show you the simple version, the one real beginners are using to start earning from home with nothing more than a phone, Wi-Fi, and 2 hours a day. Hi, if we haven't met, I'm Lori, a married empty nester, mom of 4, living with a chronic illness. I help moms, dads, and empty nesters build simple online income from home in a way that fits real life. Before we get into today's steps, go ahead and hit subscribe so you never miss my weekly videos. I share clear, beginner-friendly strategies you can follow even if you're brand new. Most people think passive income means money rolling in while you sleep, no effort, total automation. But here's the truth, my friend. Passive income starts with a little bit of work up front, then becomes easier and more automated over time. You don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need a huge following, and you don't need to work full time. All you need is your phone, Wi-Fi, and about 2 hours a day. So let's walk through the passive income paths that actually work for beginners in 2026. Passive income usually falls into a few categories: digital products, affiliate marketing, automated funnels, email list-driven sales, resale rights products, subscription-based content. For beginners, the simplest place to start is with something that's already created for you, so you're not stuck building everything alone. That's why done-for-you systems are exploding right now. When the product, the funnel, and the systems are already built, your setup time is short, your tech stress is lower, your growth is faster. Inside the community I'm a part of, people are earning $300, $600, even $900+ a day using a done-for-you digital business. That's not magic. It's a simple system practiced consistently. This is where most beginners get overwhelmed, but it doesn't need to be complicated. Your content engine can be as simple as 1 short-form video per day, 1 long-form video per day, 1 email per week. Your content introduces people to your world. Your funnel guides them. Your email list builds trust. The beauty of this, once your videos are posted, they work for you while you sleep. That is passive income in motion. Your funnel is the part that becomes passive. A simple beginner funnel looks like this: a landing page offering a free guide, an email sign-up box, a short welcome sequence, an offer, digital product, affiliate product, or resale rights product. After this is set up, it can work on its own. You could be cooking dinner, picking your kids up from school, running errands, sleeping, spending time with your family, and your funnel is still running behind the scenes. That's the foundation of passive income. Once you have people joining your list, the real magic begins. Email automation lets you warm up your audience, teach something helpful, share your story, introduce your offer, and earn without being online. A simple email sequence can create passive income every single week. And the best part, you write it once and it works forever. One of the easiest ways to create passive income is to use digital products you didn't have to build. Done for you and resale rights products allows you to plug in, personalize the process, and earn 100% profit. This is why so many beginners succeed faster with them. You bypass the product creation, the tech setup, and the customer service headaches, and you focus on sharing your story and connecting with your audience. If this is starting to click with you and you want a simple plan to follow, go ahead and subscribe and then grab my free Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. The blueprint walks you through, step by step, exactly what to do, even if you're brand new. It shows you how to choose a done-for-you digital business, set up a simple funnel, create content that brings in traffic, and start automating your income. And you can follow the blueprint with just your phone, your Wi-Fi, in about 2 hours a day. It's simple, it's clear, and it's perfect for beginners who want passive income from home. Here's a starter routine that builds passive income over time. You can spend 1 hour creating 3 small pieces of content, 30 minutes going live or posting free ads, and connecting with your audience and replying to email. This rhythm helps you grow steadily without burnout. Over time, your content library becomes passive. Your emails become passive. Your funnel becomes passive. Your effort compounds. Passive income is not about working 0 hours. It's about setting up something once, letting it work for you daily, and only spending a small amount of time maintaining it. That is why this model fits busy moms with limited time, dads with demanding jobs, empty nesters wanting purpose and freedom. This is the model that's allowing regular people in our community to earn consistently as beginners. If this video helped you understand passive income in a simple, beginner-friendly way, make sure you subscribe so you never miss my new tutorials. And don't forget to grab your free Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. It's a simple step-by-step system that moms, dads, and empty nesters are using to build passive income from home with nothing more than a phone, Wi-Fi, and 2 hours a day. You don't have to do this alone. I'm cheering for you, my friend. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in this next video.